In today's video, I have a review of the Apple Watch. This time I decided to go with the Apple Watch Ultra, and I watched a lot of videos and a lot of reviews about the Apple Watch Ultra. They got me convinced in switching from the Apple Watch that I currently have, which is the Series 4, to the Apple Watch Ultra. So let's open it. I decided to go for the titanium case blue gray trail loop ultra watch, the 49 millimeters, and go to the wristband with size ML. As you can see, as soon as we open it, we have here the Apple Watch. And also we have here the band, and here is a booklet with a lot of nice images about how the Apple Ultra works, the action buttons, and also here how to take care of the Apple Watch. Very nice packaging. So now let's go and unbox the Apple Watch Ultra and the band. Okay, so first let's go and unbox the Apple Watch. And here is the Apple Watch. Now let's see how nice it is. Right here we have the charger. And the material is a little bit different than the other ones. It's like more ecological material right here. It's not like the other ones that we have. And there's nothing else that I think that it's different from here. Take this out from here. And here is the charger. I feel like it's a little bit smaller than the older one I had, and this one is USB-C, so it's definitely a little bit different than the older one. Here is the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's see. As you can see, there is no curves like you can see in this. This is just flat screen, which is great for scratches. And also the buttons that are here are great. And here you can see it's a bit different. Also the speaker that has here, and the other button, the platinum case. Let's turn it on. Now it's asking me to get near from my iPhone, and I will do that in just a sec. Let's just start opening the wristband right here. And here you can have a set of instructions on how to install it, and then you can just take it off from here. You just, as you can see, there is 2, 3, 4 Velcro attachments here that you can use to attach and protect your Apple Watch. And also this material that is here, it's super soft, and this is the Velcro material that will be outside like so. But this part is really soft and really comfy. That's why I decided to get this one. Here it is. It's a little bit heavier than the other one, but you cannot tell. Let's start the setup of the Apple Watch. Now to start setting it up, let's just go to the Apple Watch and add watch. And I'm gonna start by selecting setup for myself. Hold up Apple Watch to the camera. So what I'm gonna do is to hold up this. And Apple Watch is paired. What you can see here is also here. Because I'm gonna just recover everything from my old watch, I'm just gonna tap on restore from backup right here. And it says restore from backup, choose a backup from the list below. So I'm gonna do this and click continue. I'm gonna update first because it seems that I had the old software, so you have to update to a current version of the watch OS that currently is available, which is 9.2 in my case. So just make sure that you have the most updated version of your older Apple Watch to start. Once you have updated your software and then you have paired your Apple Watch with your phone, then you will start your phone and it will be asking you to enter a passcode. So I really recommend that you add your passcode because it won't be asking you anytime that you want to access your Apple Watch, but only when you first started and you first put it on your hand and your wrist. As you can see, it's already taken every piece of information I had already collected on my other Apple Watch, and it's already set. If you pair it this way, you won't have any issues by finding any information or apps that you usually had. In this case, I can access all my apps from here and the apps that are new as well. I hope you like this unboxing video and Apple Watch setup. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or video requests for any future videos. Please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.